The BMW Z3 V12 sees the light after being more than 10 years locked in the secret garage of BMW M. It is a prototype to which the brand's engineers installed a 326 horsepower V12 engine. We do not know the reason for mounting this engine, but it is quite an achievement to fit such a large block in an engine compartment of this size. The BMW Z3 V12 has been hidden all its life within the four walls of the secret garage of BMW M. We do not know why, but the BMW engineers tested the BMW Z3 between 1996 and 2002 and installed this huge engine in the little roadster. Looking at the images, everything indicates that this V12 engine belongs to the M73 family. In other words, it is a 5.4-liter block with 2 valves per cylinder, a single overhead camshaft that developed a maximum power of 326 horsepower. This engine was released by the beautiful BMW 7 Series E38 sports saloon in the late 1990s and has also been driven by such illustrious models as the BMW 8 Series, a supercar from the same era. Luckily, in the end, the BMW M engineers decided not to launch the BMW Z3 V12. I think it would be an unbalanced car with an excess load on the front and, above all, too heavy. The best option they took was to install the excellent 6-cylinder S54B32 of the 321 horsepower BMW M3 to create a car that is already considered almost a classic, the BMW Z3 M in both coupe and roadster bodywork. For many, one of the best drift machines of all time.